all those rams. Lots of rams in these woods. And trillium. And trees. Lots of trees. Ooh, look at all those trillium. Beautiful. ស្អាតណាស់ណាឃើញក្នុងព្រៃហី This is in the woods. For sure it's in the woods, okay? You see lots of trees, lots of flower, wild plants.
This is where we would park.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday, May 15, 2022. សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា ថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃអាទិត្យ ខែ 5 ថ្ងៃទី 15 ឆ្នាំ 2022. I'm here in the woods picking a few rams to make pickle. ខ្ញុំមកព្រៃនេះមកបេះដើមខ្ទឹមយកទៅជ្រក់ And you see all those ram. This is a different area. It take 3 hour drive. នៅនេះឆ្ងាយបរឡាន 3 ម៉ោងមិនដល់ ហើយដើមនឹងច្រើនមែនទែន ពេញមកព្រៃ all of that ទាំងអស់នឹងពណ៌ខៀវនឹងសិតតែដើមនឹងទាំងអស់ It's different from a video. If you see it in person, it's a lot. Somehow today is very nice. Cloudy. I don't see any mosquito. It's cool. I like that. ថ្ងៃនេះក្តៅអត់សូវក្តៅទេត្រជាក់ល្អខ្យល់បក់ភាយភាយ ឃើញដើម ram ច្រើនទេច្រើនណាស់ណោះ I can be here forever. Today's video is about ram. វីដេអូនៅថ្ងៃនេះមើលដើមខ្ទឹមរបស់ក្នុងព្រៃ ច្រើនណាស់ព្រៃនេះពេញ See all those ramps. salad. Khuyên sắt mà ra người ta đào nữa. Mình đây. See all those ramps. Ramps everywhere. Got some big stem too. Đào với thông thlo tiết mơm có thông lọ đấy. Big bulbs, got some big bulbs. This ram right here is almost had flower. Đào mùi ní chịch chình cái. When you harvest these, you go to the patch in a group, you pick one plant only. Bây giờ đọt đào này hay mà cái đọt những đọt mà đào ba này. Okay. So I'm trying to look for the fat stem, big stem, like this one right here. That stem is big. I'm gonna take that. Just that one stem, one plant. Đào này ní mơm đi thông á, đọt tầm mũi ní ba này. This one is a big stem. Đào thông á. You can take this one. The bulb is big. Khuyên mơm thông ấy. The other side of the road.នៅខាងនេះមានទៀតពេញ plenty. Plenty of ram. See? It's all over. Okay, nhé. You see it? Ôi. Oh, I see some big ones. Oh, look at that. I spot a big stem right here. Nè, đào thông ạ. When I pick this ramp, I walk and then I pick one patch. Về khi đọt đào tùm ní mà cái đọt thành pi bay khơi trao nữa. Ui, I'm tired now. I pick only the big stem. Đào rô mơm thông á. Ui. Look at all those ram and trillium. Đàm ram hay năng đàm trillium. Cà phò sò năng đàm trillium. And trees, lots of trees. Plenty of trees in this wood. នៅក្នុងព្រៃនេះមានដើមឈើច្រើន My bodyguard is behind me. He's driving the car. I'm walking. He better not honk at me. Very nice. I like it when I don't have mosquito to bite me. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តពេលអត់មានមូសណាមូសអត់ខាំណាឃើញទេ I'm looking for morel also but I don't see any morel. Only rams. Endless ram. ទៅខាងណាក៏ឃើញដើមនឹងដែរច្រើនមែនទែនឥឡូវនេះខ្ជិលដកដើរថតម្ដង Yeah, I'm just gonna walk and do my video on rams. Very nice day in the woods. No mosquito. No caterpillar yet. អត់តមានតកៅទេខ្ញុំអត់ចូលចិត្តដង្កូវទេ I don't like caterpillar, okay? See some more rams.